frame? What is a frame? The frame three basic parts: header, data, and trailer. Okay, so whenever the frame, if we talk about frame, the IP address, we already know the parts and all the things we seen last time, the header and trailers and header options, even TTL we discussed that as well, source destination. What is a frame? Is a frame, whenever you say frame at the layer 2, first of all, it means we are talking about the data link layer. We're not talking about any other layer. If I say IP or if I say layer 3, it means we're talking about the network layer. If I say TCP, UDP, we're talking about the other physical port layer. So frame means it has three portions: header, data, and trailer. So header means in the header, what are the port field? Frame start, okay, and addressing, type, and control. Then there is a data, okay. Then in the trailer, the header means it's starting, it's a starting point. Trailer means maybe just at the end. So frame stop, error detection. FCS is, it has the FCS or CRC, so that will actually calculate if the frame is in the right format, if there is any error detection before it transmits. Clear? So that's the job of the trailer. So basically three portions of any frame: one, header, packet, and trailer. Header has four portions: frame start, how the frame is most likely, it's called preamble. Then the address is source address is destination. Type is the type like LLC, MAC layer we discussed already. Control. Then the data itself inside the header, in the frame. Error detection and frame stops. So this is the header, packet, and trailer. So basically, as you can see in the layer 2 addresses, now you can see, understand, whenever the message you receive, leave my computer, maybe your computer or the destination, or maybe bbc.com server, actually, all the information you can see. So we have the destination IP, source IP, and on top of it, we add the layer 2 header, which is called frame, source IP and destination IP. Okay, and then it's going from one router to another router and finally reach to the web server. And you can see this can somebody told me, can somebody explain me, is it in the same network? This is the source, this is the destination. No. Right? How did you find out? From the first octet. This is most likely class C, and this is a class B network. First of all, also the first one or two octets are different than the other side. So this means this is not in my street. It means I need a help from the router. If I have the destination address 192.168.1.120, because I know the network portion is in my domain, I do not need a router. It's only a local LAN. And that's what we discussed last time. So now it's going to the router, to another router is forwarding, and the reply will come back. Good question. So basically the question is that possible this source and destination in the different? It is possible that mostly two LANs are using the same IP, and like we are using 10 range, another LAN in maybe Birmingham, they're also using 10 range, maybe different companies, but there is a way to communicate. That most likely is called NAT actually, right? We'll discuss. So this is the layer 2 addresses. I think we already discussed. I think repeat a couple of times.